I've never like not done my hair for YouTube, and like I know, like in every single video I watch it back like a few weeks later, I'm like, what the fuck was I doing with my hair? That's gonna have to do. Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing something a little bit different. I am not doing a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be actually vlogging my whole day of going to formal. I'm showing you everything that I'm doing today and how I get ready so you guys can get ready with me. Okay. It is currently 11:22. We got a... Hey guys, so it is the day before and I'm just about to go pick up Patrice. We're going to go do our nails and then we're going to go book book my makeup for tomorrow. I put my keys right there. Oh, they're in my pocket.
Go one by one. It's tough, isn't it?
That actually hates me. We are at the shop. Oh, stunning. Okay. Oh, you're fucking. Okay, you sent me. I did not. Wait, have you seen the meme where it's like when the Vodafone or Optus staff go on a Christmas party? You tagged me in it today. Yeah, good for something. Yeah, good for something. I reckon it'll really accentuate my calm. Okay, this place is shit. I'll Patrice, these are the ones. They're my new Balances. They're my new Yeezys. Finally getting an ears pierced. I didn't expect this to occur. You can't record it forward, you have to record it sideways. Oh. Tracy's still getting in meetups. They're having a meeting. The short store's closed, but Tracy's still trying her fingers. I don't like my earrings.
I think it's eyelash.
I feel like a man. I swear the lines moved. I was in the spot before.
Hello, my name's Lala and I'm stupid and I hate my life. That's okay.
Hold on a second. We're just gonna have a quick Nutri-Grain break. That it used to be like this, they're not doing like that. Yesterday I went and got my nails done. They look really cute. They're really long, but my nails like naturally really long anyway, so like when I get them short I get really depressed. Like, you know when they do it a bit too short, it's like, why the fuck did I get acrylics? I was with one of my best mates, Patrice, and she convinced me to get my ears pierced. I don't like them, but I really wanted to wear hoops with my dress. So like, I've had my ears pierced before, but they've been closed for like 15 years. So like, I just re-pierced them and I'm just gonna quickly put the other earring in, but I don't know if that's gonna give me an infection or not. It's for fashion. Whoa, my mum has like a full stack of like alcohol in here. We've never had this. My mum's going through like a midlife crisis. We've never had alcohol here. I think I asked for $10 last week. She wouldn't give it to me. But my mum is an alcoholic. I'm so sorry, Mum. So we're gonna go wake up Jess. So Jessica's my twin sister. And we're gonna go get my fake tan. So I just asked Patrice's mum to tan me because she tans me for all my parties and stuff. So I was like, oh my gosh, please tan me. We have to use the 1 hour tan because it's really last minute. I'm so nervous it's gonna like melt off my body, but I've never done it before, but we should see how it goes. And then on the way, we're gonna try and phone call to make a hair and makeup appointment, which is so last minute, but we will get there. That was a really bad no. Alright, that's my bed. This is Patrice's house. That's my bed. That's Patrice's bed. That's Jessica trying to be Patrice in the mirror.
Hey!
She doesn't even do that anymore.
Hey, I have this.
Patrice, I'm just borrowing your moisturizer.
Can I make it?
Cetaphil. Use it.
It's like, what degree? I'm naked under here. I'm actually freezing to death.
Do they have a heater? Can you turn it on?
You don't live here yet. Okay, so we just got tan done. It's like just natural. I didn't want it to be too like darker and darker. Put your arm next to mine, see how dark this is.
No, I have my jacket on.
Okay, well Yeah, it's pretty dark. Out of 10, makeup and hair we've got organised. We have 10 done. Hair I called off camera. I'm able to go get it curled at this place. So we're gonna go there in a few hours. So right now we're just gonna gym. So now we just need to do makeup.
Why are you talking like you're American?
I'm not. I'm Mecca
Stop
and
talking so
Sephora.
much.
You are so rude. Hey guys, I look like a lady. Look at my curls, show them my curls. Oh, who is it? Oh, great, that's a good angle.
There you go.
Okay, so I just got my hair done, and it's really like, oh my god, it looks like, I look like a poodle. I can't brush it until like later on, otherwise the curls will just drop and I'll end up looking just like, I'll look like I'll look like Hermione Granger basically. You know that Facebook post that's like, oh no, I'm not gonna explain it to you. Okay, anyway, I have
the road.
I'm looking at the road. So we're on our way home now to go and wash off my tan quickly, because I am like actually turning orange and it's not gonna be pretty. Oh my god, this looks so ugly like this. We're at back and we're getting my makeup done. I went for a smoky eye look. I'm really nervous because I really had people do my makeup before, but I trust it. I'm gonna get like that sort of thing going. So hopefully it goes well. So fingers crossed it goes well, and I will check back with you guys once my makeup's all done. Okay. Oh my god, I look like it.
No, you don't. It looks really good.
I don't know. It's just really dark. I just got my makeup done, and it's really dark. Like I don't know. I asked for like a smoky eye, but it had like a pink crease, and she didn't make a pink crease. But like it's cute. I don't know. We'll see how we go. Hey, I'm just running really late. Like, I'm sorry. Where's your house? Whose Prius is it? Okay, what time is that? Where? I don't see any accidents.
Maybe.
Okay.
What's wrong, Alana? What's wrong?
I look like a man.